Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something that I've put off for the past year and a half, and that is wiring up another zone for a flower bed in my backyard. So I installed the irrigation system last year, ran all the piping for this zone, just never wired up the valve. So that's what we're going to do today. Today we're going to wire up a Hunter valve for an in-ground irrigation system. So first things first, let's get all the tools we're going to need. Wire stripper, cutters, waterproof connectors. So step one before we do anything in here is to disconnect the power on the timer. So we'll just disconnect that. Blue light's off, power's off. So once the power is disconnected, let's get in here. So we have our common right here, and then we have all the different valve zones hooked up to this black wire or black line cable. Each one has a separate color that control the zone. This is the one that they all hook up to on the common wire, which is this white one. So for this drip line valve, one of these is going to be the common, and the other one is going to be the zone valve. We're going to use this blue color here to be the zone valve. Okay. Make sure the wires look all fine. They do. So this one will be our zone valve. And we just take one of these connectors, waterproof connectors, and we just twist it on. Now with the waterproof connectors, there's a piece of silicone in there that when you put it in and start twisting, it busts and it seals that connection. So now we're going to come back over here to the common. This one has already been used. So what we have to do is make a little cut that off, and then go back through and strip all these wires. And then the new one we have, which will be right here. So try to do a little management real quick. Get that under there. Now let's get all of these back together. Got that one, got that one. Should have 4 of these. 1, 2, 3. There he is. There's 4th. Those are all my... And that goes to the control, or to the timer. And then let's grab another chute. Make sure we have everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 with the white common. There we go. And let's get this on there nice and tight. So you can see with this one, the silicone on the outside, that gives it that waterproof seal and connection. There. Also, we got to make sure that we come over here and take the wire that we hooked up. So this is going to go to zone 7. Okay, we got that hooked up. So if everything goes right, whenever I hit zone 7 on the app, I'll do a quick run. Just do it for 2 minutes. I hear that valve kick on, and there we have the water coming out. So the valve has now been successfully wired. Thanks again for stopping by the channel and the video. If you liked it, make sure you like, subscribe for more lawn tips in the future.